Hey, hi guys. I am Arjun and welcome to my YouTube channel Nagarjunadi. And guys, today I'm taking you to the Hebbe Falls in Chikmangalur, and this is one of the most wonderful falls. But for this, we have to travel the guard section, and then we have to stop our vehicle and we have to take a jeep. And the jeep cost is per couple. Per person, it's 500 rupees. So we took a jeep and we are heading towards the Hebbe Falls. And guys, this road is adventurous, and you guys can see that, and we have a fantastic view till that Hebbe Falls. So it's completely forest and nature, and here only these government jeeps are allowed till the falls. So come on guys, let's go and have some fun. Yes, guys, you can see the journey and the view. The reason I'm doing the shoot is because you guys should know the route, how it is, so that you can be prepared while coming in the jeep. So the reason I'm doing this shoot and showing you the view, because naturally we can't come in our vehicle, and if we come to Chikmangalur, we can't see this until and unless we hire a jeep and go to the falls. So hope you guys are enjoying. So stay tuned. You will see a wonderful, falls. Hi guys, guys saw the route, so we were not able to sit in the jeep because of the route and because of the heavy, rainfall. The road was completely pathetic, so I couldn't shoot that. Now, we parked they dropped us there, and from there we have to walk for almost 1 kilometer from the parking lot. So you can see we are walking now towards the
Guys, we
Hebbe
are heading
Falls,
towards the
and it is
Hebbe
like
Falls.
completely nature, and you can see we
From
are surrounded in a
the
forest,
point we came in a
and
jeep,
very soon we
and from
will
there
see the falls now.
we are walking
So
towards the falls because
we are walking.
no vehicles are allowed.
You people can see the water. See guys, the falls water, it's flowing here. And in just a few minutes we will reach the falls. So we have only a small path. One can walk that path.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ ಮಗು ಅಲ್ಲ.
So I'm walking and people are coming friend. I mean, you can see the path now.
Guys, we are still heading towards the falls.
It's very nice place, guys. Seriously, we must visit this place.
Falls is
I
really
think starting
awesome
of my video, you people have seen the
place.
falls. That is what we are gonna see now.
Ah,
That is the falls, guys. It's really awesome. We have not never seen such a falls in my life. It's
guys, this is
fantastic.
Hebbe
People
Falls.
are having a lot of fun. People are shouting, and
This
we are
is the
going
Hebbe Falls.
nearby now. See, guys, you can see the complete view. On top of that, uh, we have a mini falls, and from there, one more falls. So this falls is amazing, guys. So many people are playing there. You can guys can see the complete view now. I'm so much excited. Wow, it's fantastic, guys. I really loved it. See the pure water and the falls. And I have taken a small shot for you guys. See the falls.